Good morning, all. I'm Satvik, and today I'm here to demonstrate my final year project that is based on a one-stop solution for your all the cancer patient and the required stakeholders of that cancer patient, cancer hospitals and all. So its name is Cancer Compass. It is one-stop solution for all the cancer necessities and whatever diagnosis you require and everything. So at least it is having some kind of ML part, which is like you first have to, let's say, first start with the signing part. So from the profile, just I'm signing out, and right now I will go to manage profile, and 1 second, I will sign into it. After that, I don't have account, so I will sign up. So So here I'm adding my wrong email, so hopefully it will give me the validation that it is wrong. Password, anything, QW. So it is saying that my email is missing the validation part, so I'm adding it. Here I will create my account, and actually this email is already taken, so that's why it is not. So I will try to just sign in, and 1 second. Yeah, so it's successfully signed in, and here for the early detection tool, you just have to go through the pre-screening part. So that is the ML part. So you have to answer the different kind of specific questions related to cancer as per the industry standard and the healthcare standard. After that, it will show you the risk, and through that, after that, you can visit the desired hospitals from it. Like if I will click on hospitals, so sorry, so it will show me the hospitals that are listed on my platform, and I built it like from idea that only verified hospitals of with a good cancer experience and diagnosis will be registered here. So here from there you can book the appointment and all. After that, here's the doctor section, the doctors which are there, uh, the diagnostic labs that are verified from our site, and you can also visit the government schemes through which you can directly cope up with your payments and all of the treatment and all. And when I will 1 second, it is also having the insurance, so you can directly came. I just make a kind of a link between all the stakeholders, like if a patient is going through any kind of cancer related diagnosis, so it if it is he is eligible for any kind of insurance, so it automatically gets after just selecting the insurance and all. So, and this is the PMJY scheme of the government through which it can means sponsor his treatment and all. When I will visit my profile, so here you can see the information of my, like I've gone through the, once I just added the pre-screen part, so it has showing me the I'm having the high risk for cancer and I should visit the hospital. So the risk should be like it is rule based and supervised machine learning based. So whatever label it is having, so it gives you the result as per it. So that's all about my project. Thank you. Patient. After that, the insurance plans is directly can be accessed from the health insurance companies. Test labs is means interacting with the diagnostic labs, and if you visit the tables that is having inside it, I've used a Supabase backend. It is built on the top of PostgreSQL. Here are the my tables, and the if I will open this table. So these are the columns of my table and the data type and all the constants like nullable, not nullable, and these.
What database is created as user
What's that?
created a user defined database?
Yes, I have created user defined. It is a enumerated types that is having the predefined data that we want to show to the patient and all, like the hospital details, the insurance details and all. So here you can see there are three kind of schema is there.